Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binas nyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba-sobra loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? I saw my mom. My mom died. Nandun siya. Kinukuha na niya ako eh. Readmitted ako. I was vomiting. Delirious. High fever. They checked my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0.